is required, and it's up to the government how they can help. Yeah.
In the lush rolling hills of Meghalaya, a quiet revolution is taking place. It's a story of farmers, women entrepreneurs and communities who are reimagining their future one fruit at a time. Here is a report.
At the heart of this change is the Khasi Mandarin, a citrus fruit that has long been a symbol of the state's agricultural heritage. But now, thanks to a geographical indication GI tag, it is gaining recognition on the global stage. The first consignment of GI tag Khasi Mandarins recently made its way to Lulu Mall in Dubai. Speaking to DD News, Kong Desi Walang, Vice Chairperson of the society, highlighted the significant impact of receiving the geographical indication tag, noting that it has greatly facilitated their ability to export products to distant locations. Behind this success is the Jirang Organic Agro Farmer Producer Company, a group of dedicated farmers and entrepreneurs, most of them women, who have worked tirelessly to put Meghalaya's mandarins in the international spotlight. The support from both the state and central governments also paved the way for their success. Farmers expressed their satisfaction with the employment generated by the society, noting it has improved their livelihood.
Mangiwan bantre ni banrap ni ngiyok jeng mentoy makata ngakapat jagi baru kilong kemi bagimday pansnya le rai bantre sutom jakakam namad bangiyok jeng mentoy panroy ke senong katau hamtam ya kaying kasyang ujongi.
This milestone not only opens new markets for Meghalaya's produce but also highlights the transformative power of the GI tag in elevating local products on the global stage. This success story serves as an inspiring example of how community-driven initiatives can foster economic growth, enhance livelihoods, and contribute to sustainable development in the region. Bureau Reports, DD News, Meghalaya.